propulsion surges rip through crowded infrastructure beside shattered turbine cages, fractured conduit towers spraying sparks over flooded inspection routes while rank splits beneath expanding velocity storms, distorted emergency sirens twisting through smoke-filled chambers as damaged reactor walls collapse in a black debris clouds, relentless acceleration force tearing apart every remaining containment barrier under brutal industrial thunder tonight.
Still charging. How dumb.
Splintered amplifiers, hammer concrete chambers, while loose bolts dance across vibrating platforms. Heavy subtone shove dust from ceiling vents, and cracked barriers pulse beneath relentless lord. Choked with smoke is rotating floodlights, slice through airborne debris. Better speaker towers lean beside twisted scaffolds, while metallic shutters rattle under violent impact. Every footstep lands against trembling flooring, soaked by leaking coolant and shattered glass. Dense vibration rattles exposed piping near overloaded transformers, flickering displays smear distorted patterns through steam clouds while crowded passageways tighten beneath roaring mechanical pressure and grinding industrial noise. Thick base pressure floods enclosed sectors until rust flakes rain from ceilings. Fractured railings bend beside generators while torn cables spin white sparks into packed intersections. Sharp reverberating slams against debris, door flooded tunnels sealed, doors shake violently as compressed air bursts through devilish gas without warning. System echo crushes silent chambers beneath endless vibration. Shatter monitors burst beside tilting platforms while roaring frequencies scrape every rusted surface. Upper sarks the cold spells the air. Airborne debris swarms through smoke-filled corridors. No structure withstands the pounding force, consuming every enclosed sector tonight. Blazing sirens spin above flooded machinery while fractured concrete slice and cracked upper levels. Rotating turbines hammer dense shock waves through underground vaults, and loose chains whip against rusted columns. Beside collapsing barriers, distorted audio pulses through blackened stairwells, while overheated engines spit smoke near shattered checkpoints. Broken lift cables thrash against metal shafts, and damaged floodgates flood those tonight. Settle tonight, and reinforced platforms buckle from repeat impacting and resonance beneath the entire structure. The mics, electric pipes burst beside overloaded relays, roaring interference grates, exposed wiring and drive sparks through flood and maintenance. Corridors, dense sound pressure hammers every reinforced surface until concrete dust clouds the air. Spinning alarm lights blur through smoke gas, collapsing support beams crash into twisted machinery and burning debris below. System echo flood shattered compounds with unstoppable webs and tyrants crack beneath brutal vibration while glowing debris race through damaged sectors. Fractured flooring caves beside roaring amplifier stacks and overloaded turbines, and with them tunnels with crushing force. Rusted pillars sway under endless impact as smoke and sparks consume every remaining checkpoint. No silence survives after the final rupture. Tears through the collapsing structure tonight. Tonight again.
Impatience is vulgar.
Yeah, blinding arc flashes carved through submerged transit tunnels while overloaded junction boxes. Got blue fire, dripping concrete pillars, shattered cable trays swing violently above flooded maintenance paths. Exhausted technicians shove, sparking battery cards to reinforce bulkhead doors as magnetic interference rattles every hanging pipe joint. Burn gloves skid across wet flooring beside fractured relay cabinets.
Rotating breaker drums, hammer against dented steel, barriers endure relentless.
Electrical recall, another transformer burst near crowded access ladders and those molten fragments of smoke choked corridors. Deep vibration pulses beneath cut generator slabs while emergency strobes flicker wildly through pack industrial vaults drowning under brutal conductive pressure tonight.
Static discharge tears through reinforced wiring channels while overheated capacitor walls beside flooded inspection lanes packed operator strike. Emergency toggles with trembling arms. Fracture corner walls spit sparks against smoke and rail mounts.
Every surrounding chamber shakes beneath expanding ultra storms. Brutal electrical recoil races through buried infrastructure and drags unstable machinery closer towards catastrophic rupture tonight.
Seismic lines shift ripping through reinforced corridors beneath violent electrical interference. Overloaded relay towers flashing silver fire beside cracked containment rails. Flooded cable trenches erupting under brutal voltage recoil.
While spinning alarm lights flash through dense smoke clouds. Magnetic pressure hammering armored support walls. And shattered transformers collapse into burning debris. Relentless conductive force tearing through packed underground chambers tonight. Yeah, twisted surveillance arms hang crooked above. Submerged loading platforms with burning coolers spills through ruptured pressure drums. Frantic engineers drag damaged reactor modules through narrow stairwells beside shattered control consoles. Rotating exhaust fans scream against warp ventilation grates as electrical arcs snap violently over flooded floor and bent support beams grown beneath expanding magnetic recoil while black smoke coils through crowded access shafts. Another capacitor rupture detonates beside reinforced blast doors and sends burning fragments through pack relay passages. Distant warning. Sirens distorted under crushing interference while unstable current surges beneath trembling industrial sectors already collapsing under endless conductive aggression.
Dense vapor rolls through fractured turbines.